Now, the biggest headline from Bengal is firmly centered around Sandesh Khali. When Mamata was leading the charge against BJP from Brigade Parade Ground, BJP's Bengal faces were holding a rally in Sandesh Khali. Actor turned politician Nusrat Jahan, who was handpicked by Mamata Banerjee in 2019 to fight elections, has been dropped. She is the sitting MP of Basirhat and Sandesh Khali falls in her constituency. BJP accused her of being more concerned about Valentine's Day and Teddy Day when women of Sandesh Khali were fighting for justice. Not just that, even her own party colleagues and TMC MP candidates from Jadavpur, Sayoni Ghosh, has gone on record to say Nusrat should have stood by the women of Sandesh Khali. On the other hand, look at these visuals on your screen, viewers. Sandesh Khali's villain, Sheikh Shahjahan, whose arrogance shocked the nation post his arrest, has now been shown in place. In CBI custody, he can't stare at cameras, nor can he walk like he owns the place. Watch how BJP is making the Bengal battle all about Sandesh Khali.
আর একা সন্দেশ খালি নয়, পশ্চিম বাংলায় এমন 25 থেকে 30টা সন্দেশ খালি আছে। তাই এই লড়াই চলছে, চলবে। ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টি তার শেষ রক্তবিন্দু দিয়ে সন্দেশখালীর মা বোনেদের ইজ্জত লুণ্ঠনকারী শাহজাহান আর মমতার আলালের গুলামদের